R255 SMS Plus Evolution miter saw is built for accurate cross-cut, bevel, miter, and trench cuts in wood composite, plastics, and metal. Powered by a 2,000-watt motor at 240 volts, it comes with a 255mm tungsten carbide tipped multi-material TCT blade and has a 300 by 80mm cross-cut capacity and the ability to deliver cut accuracy within plus or minus half a degree, 0 to 45 degree bevel tilt, and 50 to 50 degree miter angles. Accuracy, power, and reliability are at the forefront of its design. This 255mm compound sliding miter saw is equipped to power through 6mm thick mild steel and cut hardwood, laminate, and even nail-embedded wood with precision. Pair it with the Evolution miter saw stand, and you have a cutting station ready to tackle the biggest jobs on site or at home. The R255 SMS Plus compound miter saw is a true workhorse with a max crosscut of 300 by 80mm. It's ready to cut almost anything with our multi-material blade, and the R255 SMS Plus can be used with any of our 255mm wood blades if you want a finer finish or faster cuts for those perfect crown moldings and laser-precise joints. Premium Japanese tungsten carbide tipped 255mm TCT blade included. Dual quick-release clamps included for additional accuracy and faster adjustments. Slide rail protector included protects against damage and prevents dust ingress. Cleaner and safer working environment with dust collection bag and dust port adapter for use with vacuum extraction. Integrated carry handles. Easy to carry and transport around the workplace. A 3-meter power cable reduces the need for an extension lead.